Hi friends, welcome to Totally Dazzled and Creating with Kris Hunter. How is everybody? I am excited to introduce to you a new kit that Totally Dazzled is coming out with, and it will be available very soon. I always like to start my year out with a book, a new book, and I love to go back and look at them. With a new book that I that I write down my dreams and ideas in. The one I have now is, I'm like at the point where I'm adding pages to it. So it's time for a new one. So I may start using this one before long. Now, let me set these off to the side. And I want, because these are my ideas. I'm going to use the water method on this, but I am going to bend it, fold it over, and fold it over again. And to make my life a little easier, I'm just going to cut that to go down like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take some Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. It is a sealer, and especially with something like a book that I'm going to be using all of the time. I'm going to put this right in here so that in case I do those edges, and we're going to go right into the next layer. I'm not worried about drying it. Look at this wonderful napkin. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. I want this. Okay, let me get my... I'm gonna water cut these also. We're going to do just a little bit more of this decoupage medium over the top, like so. Okay, I have a brush here that I'm going to use to just pat down. Okay, and I'm going to go in one direction. So you can see how those typewriter keys come up into the owl. So now, gotta find my fabric scissors. I've used them the other night. Okay, I'm gonna cut a strip of this. And this is some fabric from some old curtains. Let's get, we have Beacon 3-in-1. And a good amount of glue. Okay, let's make sure we've got and I'm just gonna cut that off. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I feel like I need some Well, let's get our stuff on it first. Now, okay, so this is just like a white pencil, let's say. You're going to remove the white, that 2 layers right there, remove that. Now here's your stencil, okay? That is pretty sticky. I'm going to fuzz that, kind of like you would a chalk paint thing. I'm gonna make a dot. Why is it not working? I'm just gonna put my glue in it. I'm gonna take my glue. I think I'm gonna do a pink crown. The cool thing about these green trays, if y'all don't know, when you put your stones in there, see they're not all right side up? Give it a little shake. Give it a little shaky poo. And the majority of them are right side up now. Now I'm gonna get my picker pen and we're gonna set these down in there. You want to make sure that you do not put too much glue because you don't want glue on your stencil. Okay, I'm just making sure I'm pulling all those up. Look at that, you guys. I want to do this. We're going to use this. I want it to say dream. So, you see on this sheet, D-R-E-A-M. Let's see. So you can take them apart like this without having to cut them. So don't cut the sheets because I'm going to want to put that dream, that letter right back there. Okay? So I'm going to fuzz this up. Fuzz that up really good. I'm going to go this way with it. I'm going to get my glue put on here. Okay. Go to the E. I'm gonna say praise God because I can't believe that. But don't do that, you guys. Don't do that. When I planned this project, I didn't really think about the fact that this really needs to cure. These stencils being sticky, you want any decoupaging that you do to cure before you put a sticky on it. Then, when it comes to, I thought this white pen would work. I think I threw it out. No. I thought this white pen would work. It's a water-soluble white pen. I thought it would work. It didn't. It didn't at all. God bless you, and I hope you have an amazing, dazzling weekend. See you soon.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.